So I want to talk to you about these Band-Aid brand flexible fabric Band-Aids. If you're looking for quality Band-Aids, look no further than Band-Aid. It's a quality Band-Aid. High quality, it's got a nice surface on it here, as you can see, and I'll take a look at one right now, as you can see. It comes just like this here, a bunch of Band-Aids in the package, really large Band-Aids. And they absorb nicely and they come off and on super easy. And this is what they look like here, so you can see here in the package. And super easy to open, super easy to use, and I will open one up to show you. Let's get my hand in here, and let's open this up, and let's show you. Right here is the Band-Aid. So you can see here, nice fabric Band-Aid, and you can see here the opening for the wound area. It's nice and large. So if you have a big little wound and it's bleeding, this has a nice large pad on here. You can see that. Safe to use, easy to remove, easy to put on, and it's a beautiful Band-Aid. Absolutely love them. Highly recommend Band-Aid flexible fabric Band-Aids. Thanks for watching.